How to see file details on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to OneDrive. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is just choose the file that you want to see the details. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say this one, it's called test. Now click on those three dots here beside the file and scroll down until you find the details option here down. Click on it, and now right here you can see your file details. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.